My video will help you to remove the ransomware called TransCrypt. TransCrypt is a new ransomware that may suddenly damage the files. My video is only for educational purposes, though in the video I will show you how damaging the ransomware is, and I will give you some recommendations on how to possibly recover your files, even though I cannot guarantee that I will help you to restore the files. Before the ransomware's attack, you are able to open the files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this TransCrypt ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer, and then very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data. So these are the results of the ransomware attack. You can see that a special for symbol extension has been appended to the file names, and this is a random extension, by the way. The ransomware also changes the desktop background, and it also reveals this ransom note indicating that the ransom needs to be paid for file restoration. However, paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware urgently with the help of Cleaner Antivirus. To get it, you will need to use your Internet Explorer browser, because other browsers in their desktop shortcuts could also be damaged by this particular ransomware. So go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and then start researching the system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, and only quick scan option is available. After you click on the Start Scan button, the software will first of all update its anti-malware database. So don't skip this very important step. This is essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware and other infections. After the anti-malware database is updated, Combo Cleaner will start scanning your computer. Combo Cleaner has got anti-ransomware feature that helps to remove the ransomware and to protect your data, but Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. And there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt files. But Combo Cleaner helps you very well to remove the ransomware and to protect the data in the future. You can upgrade to Premium, and you can request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. So, speaking about file decryption, you can find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.